Welcome to the Buffet Denver Assembly Manual.
To begin step 1, position accessory O on piece 09, then position accessory M in the indicated location, and finally position accessories P and X in the indicated locations. Fix the P accessories to piece 11. In part 07, we will fix accessories O and W. With piece 11, we will fix the P accessories. In part 10, attach the O accessories, then position the W accessories in the indicated locations. With part 06, we will attach the P accessories. Tighten in the indicated locations, including part 09. With part 13 positioned, we will secure accessory W. Tighten accessory P and the indicated locations.
In step 2, attach the O accessories in the indicated location, and with the 12 pieces, make the attachment and finish with the G accessories.
In step 3, fix the S accessories in the indicated locations. With pieces 04 and 05 positioned, finish by fixing the G accessories. Fix the S accessories in the indicated locations, position the pieces 08, and finish with the G accessories. In step 4, attach the P accessories to parts 02 and 03. On pieces 01, attach the W accessories. To finish, attach accessory T with accessory C in the indicated locations. With the product upside down, we will attach accessory O in the indicated locations. To complete step 5, attach accessories Q and U in the indicated location. In step 6, position pieces 15 and secure them with accessories A1. With accessories H and V, make the fixation. Now, on piece 14, we will position accessories K and L in the indicated locations. To secure the central door, position pieces I, L, and M in sequence and make the fixation. Fit the door in the indicated location and secure it.
With piece E, attach accessory R.
With accessory R, secure the door in the indicated location.
And to finish, attach accessory E with accessory R.